Good day, guys. Being here. Today we're going to try this one. Okay, so we're going to try some different method. So the first one we're going to try is structure, columns, and beam. Column, beam, and then we will also try model in place. Just sweep. Okay, so and the last one is we can build a parametric family. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a project, and okay, so first we need to create some reference. We can use reference plans or grid. In this exercise, I'm going to just use reference plan. Okay, so RP and copy maybe 500. Okay, so we're going to just place so this column here, and then if you look at this, so we're going to add another two reference plan. So to get that point, okay, so maybe I'll just copy this one by 900. Copy this one by 900 as well. So okay, so column, and then slanted column. So okay, go to structure. We're going to just use this column. Okay, so the default 300 is a bit big, but that's fine. So first select this vertical column, and you can change this to hard, so it was start from the ground floor level up to. So in here, I think from here that's 900 roughly. Let's make it 1200. Okay, so 1200. So and then also just space to rotate it and just place it. It seems. Oh, yeah, that's it. And then let's copy this to here. So go to 3D view, have a look. All good. Go back. And maybe I'll change this one to medium. Yep, that's better. And then we need to create those slanted columns. So column again. So this time, slanted column, start from ground floor. Hang on, change the top first. Okay, so roughly maybe 3 meters. Okay, and then start from 1200. So pick from this point, go up to here. Okay, so let's have a look. Go 3D view. Yeah, good. Go back to ground floor. So we can mirror it. Maybe I'll just create a reference plane in the middle, and dimension it, and then equal it. Okay, so now we have a center reference plane we can use to mirror stuff. So that's it. So now let's go to 3D view. And we need to create a merge join. So we can do this. Go select both of them. Go to steel. That's merge join. And select these two. Same. Go steel. And that's it. Okay. So then let's just place a beam on the top. So let's go to ground. Or maybe hang on. Maybe we can just create in 3D view. We can do it in 3D view. Let's try it. Beam. I'll just use this one. I'll see if I can see that. Yep. Okay. So maybe I'll just change this one. Yeah, that's okay. So now just maybe do this. And that's it. So this is the first method. And also, oh, actually, I'm not quite sure about what's the best way to, let's go to elevation, sorry, change this to median. Maybe I'll see if I can, yeah. So I'm not sure how to cut this one. So other than use a void face-based family, and I'll leave it to you. Okay, so Okay, so this is the first method, and then second one, model in place. So for the model in place, actually, I'm going to use this one. Use this. Uh, I'll just do it. So model in place. So because we have, oh, actually, so pretend we don't have this one yet. Okay, so let's go to south elevation. So I'm going to, do we have a reference plan? So we don't have a 3-meter reference plan. I'll just create one. Okay, so 3-meter. Okay, and then pretend we don't have, we don't, it's beams fine. So beams are very easy to model. So just use beam. Pretend we don't have this. So I'll just delete all these. Reference plan at 1200. Okay, 1200. So now we can model, use model in place. Okay, so model in place. I'll just use general model for it, and so you can directly create a sweep. Use I think use draw a sketch path. You can also create a reference line first, but I'll just do use sketch path. Okay, so pick a plane. So actually we need to pick the vertical plane. We can't do it here, so we need to go back to floor plan, and then we need to pick this reference plane. Okay, so go sketch path again, set work plan, pick a plane. Okay, pick this, and then go back to elevation. So now we can create a path. So this is the path. Okay, and we can just finish this path, and we can draw the profile. So this is one option. One option is you can draw a profile. So let's go back to ground floor. So you will see this is where you can draw. So I'll just roughly pretend this is a profile. Okay, so and then once you finish, and that's it. So this is a sweep. Okay, sweep. And I'm going to show you some. So sometimes you want to use a profile from a beam, from a structure framing. You can do this. So I'll just draw this structure framing. So for example, I want to use model in place, and then I want to borrow the profile. So you can go edit this family, edit this structure framing family, and under here, so under here family, so there is a profile. Okay, so and also you can choose fine or median. Median is this sharp angle. Okay, so and the fine is the one with curve. Okay, so for example, I'll just use the median one. So right click, edit, and then we can directly load this into the project. So now this profile is in this project. So we can go, let's go edit this sweep and edit sweep and go here. So instead of edit profile, we can just directly find it here. So where is it? Which one? Sorry about that. I think let me just go back and check this one. So HP here. So yeah, so see, once you select, and yeah, just you can rotate it, or you can just offset it if you want to. So let's finish this and then finish model. So now you will see this is a sweep with the profile of this structure frame. Okay, so and then of course you can just mirror it to the other side, and then that's the other one. We're going to just place, let me just place a beam on the top. Okay, so beam on the top, go to 3D view, change this one to 3 meter, 3, oh, wrong one, 3 meter, and then maybe I'll just extend, and that's it. And then I think what you can do is just use void to cut, and also probably need to extend this a little bit. So after that, you can just go create a void. So I'm going to just use extrusion. Okay, so edit plan. I'll just pick this plan of this sweep, and then I'll just pick this line, maybe the line inside, and then just as long as it covers this part, that's all good. So just make sure, yep, no good, and then finish. So now that's it, model in place. Okay, and then this, I'll just quickly, maybe it's easier to just delete it and mirror it. Okay, so go 3D view, and that's it, model in place. Okay, so now let's go try the last one. So the last one will be, we can do, actually, I did one very similar one, Y-shape column in slightly different. I think it's only one member. So, but if you want to, you can try to search it. And I'll just quickly do another one. Okay, so family, we can everything. We can start. We can always start from generic model. Okay, or actually, hang on. For this one, I think it's easier to use 2 levels. So usually when you try to create some family like columns, you can use generic model 2 level based. Okay, so which, if you go, so for example, if I go to front, so you will see that there's 2 level. Okay, so now we need to go back to floor plan and add some more reference plan. Okay, so the first 2 will be the distance between these columns. Okay, so we can just add a parameter. Let's call it W1, and type is okay. And let's make it maybe 500 or 400. Go to family types, 400. Okay, so and then another one here. So this will be the slanted where the slanted column, the top. For now, I'll just type in 900. Okay, so same 900, and select both, and I'll just call it W2 type parameter. That's all good. And go to front, and we need another level. So we can control where the top of the vertical member is. So for now, I'll just type in 1200 and create. I'll just call it H1. Okay, so okay, and currently that's 4 meter. That's fine. Maybe I'll change it to 3 meter. All good. So now we can. Actually, I'm going to create some reference line. Okay, so reference line, but before that, we need to pick the reference plan first. So set work plan, pick a plan, pick this reference plan. So go back to either front or back, and sorry about that, reference line, starting from here, 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 and here, here, and here. So usually when your family is very simple, you don't really need to constrain them. So just have a test. Everything works fine. That's all good. So don't need to lock a line and a lock. So now this is it. So maybe let's go back and find this profile again. So maybe I'll just this time use the file and load this into the new family. Okay, so new family. So now we can use them. So now create sweep, pick path. this time, because we already have the reference lines, we can use pick path. Okay, 1, 2, finish, go select and finish. And you will see, we probably want to rotate it by 90 degrees. So just go here, 90. That's it. And then to the other one. So we can do it in 3D view as well. So pick path, so create similar. So CS and pick path, finish, profile, 90 degree, apply, okay, finish. So now we have this one. And I think, do we need a horizontal one? Maybe not. Hang on, let me just go back to the image. Yeah, maybe this one. It's better to have it in the in the project, so you can adjust where you need to be. Yeah, so I think that's enough. And then, of course, if you want to, you can go to hang on. Maybe we want to extend this one a little bit. So what you can do is you can add a little bit more. Give it a number. So I'll just type 200. Just lock it so it won't change, and then extend this one to here and lock it. Hang on. I think we need to yeah, because we need to have two reference plane, probably it's better to lock it to this intersection point. So maybe let's do this. Oh, hang on. Maybe not. Maybe not. Because it's more important to have this point on this reference plane. So maybe I'll just drag it back. Okay. Remove constraint, lock. Okay, so but we need this part, this bit. How can we do it? Let me think. Maybe we can add another reference plane, go up here and continue this one up. So let's try this. Okay, so pick path. So continue this up. Okay, so no, because we don't want this. Maybe we can just do this. Yes, so just lock tangent, and also I think this will be locked onto this reference plane. I think this should work. So we'll see. We will have a test later. Just add another one, lock, and this one should be fine. So edit sweep, pick path, pick 3D edge, this one, finish. Okay, so now we can add a void. So for this void, I'm going to, how can we do it? Maybe I'll just add another reference plane here. So wide enough, maybe 500, maybe. And another one on the other side, I'll just mirror it, DI. And so I'll just lock it. And then we can create a void. Box, this, lock, align, and lock. Oh, hang on, not enough. Anyway, so maybe I'll just remove constraint, just type in 400, that should be enough. Okay, so and then I'll just add a dimension and then lock it. So finish and go. I'll just type in a big number. Okay, so big 500 and negative 500. So okay, so that's it. So let's have a look. Go to 3D view. Yeah, I think it looks okay. And let's have a test in a project. Okay, so create. Do we have a project? Yeah. This one, yeah. So it's a project 4. So load this family into project 4. and place it somewhere here. Okay, so now we can say level ground floor to level 1. Good. And edit tab. So these are the options. So for example, we can choose the distance between these two columns. 500. Good. What's W2? Oh, so this point to this point. Good. And yeah, all good. And yeah, that's it. And of course, the middle ones you can build into the family. It's quite easy. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. So CS, because this is not structure column, so we can't just pick or create a beam onto it. But you can always just place it somewhere and just put this onto level 1 with 0 offset. That's it. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.